harvesting our sweet tomato in a pot. Wow, so cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So cute. So cute. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Enough. Enough. Next time again. If we had an exchange your heart only in the pot. You see, guys? Feels apart. You feel the pain. Wow, mint. You see? Mint leaves. Only in the pot. Mint leaves. Deal, this one. Deal. And this one is dates. Dates 3. Gemelina 3. Wow, so cute. This is amazing. Mint leaves only in a pot. You see, guys? Amazing. You'd feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange, the weather is so perfect. This coming 25 and 26 is the Independence Day of Kuwait. State of Kuwait Independence Day. National Day. They call that National Day. But in Philippines is Independence Day. I don't know if different celebration National Day and Independence Day. That's why I have too much flag around here. We fought last day. Happy Independence Day. We had an exchange your heart. You'd feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange your heart. We have an exchange your heart. What is your problem? Shina? Huh? Read the instruction, direction. I can't read because very small words. Fresh mint. Bagul, I don't know in English what is this. They call in Arabic is bagul. parsley, small variety of parsley. Sinugol. Parsley, original parsley, and coriander. First, the manager put here until become red all. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. No problem. Put in a small cup. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Much love from Philippines.